Yesterday, we actually vaccinated our bird against a fowl typhoid infection or disease. And after the vaccination, so what we actually observed in the farm was something strange. You know, I don't know. I was actually scared even when I was giving them this last dose because we actually vaccinated them before the first dose. This is the second one now against fowl typhoid infection. So after we vaccinated them yesterday, in the night of it, I went to check up on them. So I discovered that most of them were not eating. So I know it's normal, it's usual to them, even human. So they were not eating. So I felt bad, I still might feel bad for them. Please guys, help us to subscribe to this channel, share, comment. Please once again, let's help this family to take this to 8,000 subscribers. Thanks so much.